Okay everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and building the Monster Jam Grave Digger 24 volts of power, great for ages 3 and up electric monster truck. Man, we can't wait. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Ethan, you excited?
Yeah.
You super excited?
Yeah.
Go over here to the truck. Ethan, you're not going to believe this. You're not going to believe this. Look in the box. There's nothing. Look, come here. There's nothing. Look at nothing. Nada. Wow, look at you got the truck! You want to check it out? Want to check it out? You like it? Okay, Aiden, help Ethan, let's pull it out. Grab it. What? You're so excited, huh? What? Ah! Okay, here. Get the front tires. So the first thing out of the box, the front tires. And we're going to pull, whoa, watch out there. Hey, look at this, Ethan. Da-da-da! 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 Woohoo! Nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, this is what you get in the box here. You have your 4 tires that you have to install. You have to connect the axle down there. We'll show you how to do that right now. This is the passenger rear tire, passenger front. You gonna show him how to do it, Ethan? Yeah. Okay, so we gotta get Aiden out of the truck first. And then we're gonna, the first thing we did right here is we're gonna put the wheel underneath and lift it up. And then we have the, this is the part of the axle right here we have to hook up to there. We're gonna do that right now. So I just take this off here. And to do this one hand, I'll show you what it's done. We connected the steering underneath first. And then we put the bolt right here. Now we're gonna tighten that. And then the next thing is gonna be what we put on the wheel right here. Ethan's gonna tighten it right now. Okay, next up is Ethan's gonna put the tire on. Go ahead and peel the sticker off right here. Ethan, pull the sticker off. Okay, go ahead and put the tire on there. Whoa, you did it! Perfect, alright, now we need the bolt. There you go. Put that on. Okay, wait, hold on. Next part is to put the tire underneath on the other side to lift it up. So it'll hold the truck. Okay, now you take the sticker off on the other side and go ahead and put the wheel right on the truck.
It is kind of difficult to put the wheel on, but you can do it. You just gotta wiggle it around a little bit, and then it goes right on, just like that.
So this is a very important part right here, the rear axle. This is what you put in next, but we're missing the bolt. So just in case you're missing the bolt, this is... You got it! And you just blew it. Okay, so here we go on the very last part. We have the driver's side tire, rear tire, we're putting it on right now. And then we have to put the axle in. And this is kind of difficult to do. So you just put the axle and keep pushing it in there. Once you get the axle all the way through to the other side, then what you do is you just put the bolt on, and then you're finished. And you have your truck ready to go. You like it? Whoa! So cool! Whoa, you can do it? Go! Whoa! Push all the way.